Hello guys, this is Jeff from Switzerland. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to configure an EQ plugin on Logic Pro X in order to function like a large format mixing console EQ section. So here is a preview of an EQ section on a large format mixing board, and I will apply the same settings on our EQ plugin in Logic Pro X. So in order to accomplish that, let me show you the basic structure of this channel EQ plugin on Logic Pro X. We have different kind of filters, as you can see from the shapes. Here we have a high pass filter, here we have a low pass filter, and there are shelving filters here, and in the middle we have this bell shape or panoramic EQs. If you look at the parameters, the first row is always the cutoff frequency for those specific filters. The second line varies between the low pass, high pass filters and the others. For low pass and high pass filter, these are the dB per octave values, which is also known as Q factors as well. And the last row for these two filters are the resonance values. For our shelving filters and our bell filters, which is these 6 values, the second row is the gain and the third row is the Q factor. So as the first step, I will configure my EQ plugin in order to function as this high pass filter. So the values are 75 Hz as cutoff frequency and 18 dB per octave is the Q factor. So I'm enabling my high pass filter here and I'm changing my value 75 and 18 dB per octave, so I'm not touching the resonance value. Second, I will configure my low shelving filter. Here you can see the cutoff frequency is 80 Hz and the gain can vary between -15 and +15. So I'm enabling my low shelving filter and cutoff frequency is 80 Hz, and dB you can change the gain, you can play it around, but for now I will put it 0 and I will keep my Q factor is 1. Third, I will configure a low mid parametric EQ, which is the bell shape EQ, and as you can see the cutoff frequency here is 400, so I'm configuring my bell shape. Doesn't matter which one you choose, I'm selecting this one because it's closer to 400, so my cutoff frequency is 400 and I will select my Q factor as 1, and as you can see you can change the gain 0 dB. The next one will be the high mid parametric EQ, and the cutoff frequency here in this case is 2K, and I'm configuring my high mid parametric EQ 2000 Hz, and the dB value you may vary again. For now is 0 and I'm keeping my Q factor as 1. As the last step, I will configure a high shelving filter, and I'm enabling my high shelving filter. The cutoff frequency is 12K, as you can see here. I'm configuring 12K, and gain can vary. Also the Q factor, I'm going to keep it as 1. So this is how we configure the channel EQ plugin in order to function like a large format mixing board console. As the last step, I would like to show how do you save these settings for further uses. And here, when you click on this button here, and you're gonna end up with save as, and I'm giving a name, customized one, and I'm saving this. And now it's one of my presets, so I can, whenever I need, I can choose that and I can use on my future projects. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.